is they're super hard. 3 more, so all 3 versions. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Kooky live stream. I'm Ariel, of course, and I do live streams on the Kooky app every Saturday at 11 a.m. KST and 10 p.m. Eastern. Today we are going to be doing a lucky draw talk. I just actually did a stream about this, so I'm gonna talk very quickly about it. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a lucky draw track. So basically what lucky draws are is it's very similar to a pre-order benefit or like a special photo card that you get when you buy albums. But lucky draws are a little bit more special in the sense that they are usually an offline event and usually come after the comeback. Now this is very typical, but not always. There are lucky draw events that are obviously announced before the comeback and then are after the comeback. And obviously there's a lot of lucky draws that now you can do in person and offline as well. So today we went to one for TXT's new Comeback Thursdays child, and I'm going to be kind of explaining to you guys a little bit about it. Of course, the special thing about lucky draws is they're super hard. So they're basically like a credit card kind of material. That's why if you guys see people on like TikTok and stuff like running them underwater, they won't get damaged when they're wet because they're super thick. But today I did go to MTU's lucky draw. I got there around 8 a.m. and the lucky draw started at 10. So my first piece of advice is to get there early. And then we waited 30 minutes after that to get in. So even getting into the store takes a while because a lot of people go and buy lots of albums. And to be honest, there was about like 300 people behind us in line, and there was 15 people in front of us in line. So we got there at a really good time. But yeah, lucky draws are really fun. I really recommend if you guys come to Korea to try them out because they are so worth it. But yeah, like I said, I bought 3 albums today and we're going to be unboxing them for you guys. And actually my friends right now are standing in line at Soundwave. So I'm going to be going there after, and you guys will see that footage in my vlog that I'm also filming today. For you guys who are wondering, my bias in TXT is Subin, and I do collect all of his non-album cards. I do collect OT5 photo cards, so that means I collect all 5 members' photo cards. So here is the group lucky draw. I think it is actually so freaking cute. I really like it. I like how they're all like leaning on each other. It's kind of so cute. But yeah, I saw this one. So basically it was like written out, like if you buy a set, you get the group card, which I think is really nice because I was really scared. Sometimes when they do group cards, they're just like randomly mixed in with the lucky draws. And then you could pull a group, which like I'm totally fine with group cards, but I would much rather have just like a selfie member, if that makes sense. But we also have 3 more. So we're just gonna go through it. I'm literally terrified, you guys. But let's get into the albums, of course. So like I said, I bought all 3 versions, of course. Let's start with N. But yeah, this is what the albums look like if you guys haven't seen it. They're pretty cute. I like them. The only thing I don't like is the bag because I'll show you. Look at this. Look at this. It's so sticky and it gets everywhere, but it's okay. It's beautiful. So yeah, that was basically my talk about lucky draws. Again, if you guys have any questions, you can always feel free to ask me about them. I love lucky draws. I love doing lucky draws. I love going to lucky draws. I just really love in-person events. And obviously because I do live in Korea, I feel so fortunate to be able to go to these events. But like I said, I think they are getting a little bit more global. And I really hope that obviously they'll be able to ship worldwide really soon if they don't already. I love you guys. I obviously love doing the Kooky live streams. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like we say always, if you ever have a live stream you want to recommend me to do, please let us know. Like I said, if you guys want me to do more like unboxings like this or like more like events like this, like please let us know. You can either obviously message Kooky on their Instagram or on their Twitter, or you can obviously message me on my Instagram and my Twitter as well. We love hearing your feedback and we love to know what you guys want to see. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Obviously I had so much fun. The short live replay will be available on the Kooky YouTube channel, but the full live replay will only be available on the app. It will not be available on my channel. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys next time, Saturday, 11 a.m. KST or 10 p.m. Eastern. Bye everyone!